fiber optic lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong Hongse Limited. Welcome to my channel. Last time we studied about dirt on the connector end face is the main cause of connector failure. Today, let's start how to clean the connector end face efficiently. Normally, there are three cleaning methods: dry cleaning, wet cleaning, and mixed cleaning. Dry cleaning with dust-free wipers, cotton swab, and air blowing ball, etc. We can clean the fiber end face and remove lighter dust particles and other dirt efficiently. Its advantages are easy to get the above tools and operation is simple. The disadvantages are it may cause static electricity and cannot remove all kinds of dirt. The second method is wet cleaning. Use 99.9% isopropyl alcohol, simple called IPA, and other solvents to remove dust and dirt from the connector surface to avoid scratches on the connectors. Its advantages are the IPA is able to decompose complex dirt and won't cause static electricity accumulation on the connector pins. The disadvantages are residual solvent may cause secondary pollution and the choice of solvents is complicated. Mixed cleaning. Mixed cleaning combines dry cleaning and wet cleaning. The first step is to clean the connector end face with a solvent, and then use a wiper or cotton swab to dry any remaining solvent. The advantage is it could clean all types of dirt and reduce the possibility of dirt accumulation on site. Disadvantages are a variety of cleaning tools are required, and the cleaning procedure is complicated. How to use the mixed method to clean the connector end face. 1. Take a piece of white paper. 2. Spray a small amount of special solvent on the wiper paper. 3. Place the end face of the connector on the wet wiper part. 4. Gently move the end face from the wet wiper part to the dry wiper part in a straight line, and do not pick up the connector during this process. Do not squeeze too hard, and do not clean at wiper's same place. Repeat this step 3 times. 5. Check and ensure that no solvent or dirt remains on connector end face with the fiber inspection probe. How to clean the female connector? 1. Open the dust cover. 2. Use air blowing ball to remove dust or residue. 3. Insert the one-click cleaning pen. Keeping press and turn one circle with one-way direction. Dry cleaning is recommended. Do not use cotton swab rich with alcohol. 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 if necessary. 5. Remove the cleaning pen. Put back the dust cover or put back the dust pack. Okay, today we studied the right way of the cleaning optical fiber end face. Then, how do we know if the end face is well cleaned? Please follow our updates. We will introduce in the next lesson. See you!